To create a cleaning zone, you need to define these zones in the map section. From here you have two options of creating a cleaning zone: Area Draw and Path Draw. Area Draw is the recommended way of making these cleaning zones and routes because of time and area coverage. If necessary, you can always adjust your cleaning zone by selecting one of the dots and dragging them to the desired spot. You can also use the point draw method. Manually design a route by placing points on a map. This takes more time but gives you more control of the cobot. Maximize efficiency by dividing the space into rectangular or square sections. It is possible to cover the area in one go, but the cleaning efficiency drops significantly.